Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I do my go-to soft glam makeup look. So I'm starting off with a mattifying primer on my eyelids, and this is just going to help keep any oils from surfacing. Now I'm just using this concealer as a base for my eyeshadow. In the crease, I'm just adding a brown shade that's close to my skin tone. And this is just gonna help blend the colors that I'm gonna add onto the lid. I also didn't mention that I did my brows off camera, but if you wanna see my updated eyebrow tutorial, I do have one up that I posted 2 weeks ago, so please go check that out. In the outer corner of my lid, I'm just adding this deep brown shade, and I'm focusing this deep in the crease and on the outer corner just to define my eye shape. Then I'm going back in with that skin tone brown just to blend out any harsh lines. Now I'm taking this tan color and I'm going to place this all over the lid, making sure to overlap that dark brown a little bit. Then I make sure to blend out any harsh lines around the tan. And also going back in and touching up that dark brown on the outer corner. So once I'm satisfied with how the lid looks, I'm gonna take that same dark brown and just drag it underneath my bottom lash line. Next, I'm taking a felt tip eyeliner pen and I'm just gonna draw out a wing. Also, let me know if you want a more in-depth tutorial on how I do my wing liner. Okay, now that the eyes are done, we can move on to the face. So I'm going in with a primer first, and I'm gonna let that dry for about a minute or two before I go in with my foundation. I first applied the foundation with my fingers, then I go in with a brush to blend it out. And I make sure to take the foundation down my neck a bit just for a seamless blend. Now I'm going in with a concealer that's a little bit lighter than my foundation shade, and I'm just using this to brighten up the inner part of my face. Then I just go in and blend around everything, leaving the under eyes for last because I want to make sure that that concealer has sat a little bit before I mess with it so it doesn't move too much. Now that everything is blended out, I'm gonna go ahead and set with some loose powder. And I'm gonna set my under eye first to make sure it doesn't crease. And I'm using a lighter powder shade for the center of my face, and then I'm using a darker shade to go around the perimeter of my face. Now I'm using a powder bronzer to contour just the hollows of my cheeks and the sides of my nose. Now I'm taking this shimmer highlighter and I'm using this on my cheekbones and in the center of my face. Then sort of going in between both of those with this deep berry blush. Then I like to go in with my mascara last, just so I can avoid getting any powder on my lashes. Now on to lips. I've really been loving just the liner and gloss look, but I personally haven't really found a dark enough brown that I like, so I go in with a black liner first and then I go over it with a brown liner. Both of these are eyeliners, but I use them as lip liners. And then I just top everything off with a sheer gloss. Lastly, to add a little bit more pop to my eyes, I like to take that highlighter that I use and just pop it right in the inner corner. Then I seal in the whole look with some setting spray, and that's how I do my go-to soft glam makeup look. Please make sure you like and subscribe, and please leave me a comment and let me know what other videos you'd like to see from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.